everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on a DIY project. It's a dining table. It was too simple for me. I wanted to add more glam on it, make it look more beautiful. So I start by setting the table, and I'm gonna do the middle silver because I'm going to add more bling on it. The silver will make it more beautiful. Alright, if you guys new to this channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for whenever I upload, you'll be the first to know. And to all my return subscribers, thank you so much for your love and thank you for your support, and I really truly appreciate you guys. And I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna leave everything that I use in the link down below, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Okay, this ribbon, I purchased it on Amazon, and I'll leave the link down below for you guys. What I did, I laid them down first so I can see, to have the length and everything, so I can see what I'm doing before I can glue them, because I didn't want just to glue, just put the glue in so I don't do too much mess. So I lay them first, and after that I will move them piece by piece to add the glue and just put them right back again.
Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. Yeah, yeah. And we give you. In my mind, missing the fights. I don't care if I'm right. Let's just buy a bit more time. I live alone with you inside my mind. We would die.
Wow, does it finish look, guys? Let me know what you think. If you guys like it, me, I love it. It's so beautiful. Look at the bling. Oh my god, so gorgeous. So gorgeous in person. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I love you.
And we give you